So it seems the beef between Wendy Shay and Keche is not ending anytime soon. Yes, so guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate TV. As I always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so Wendy Shay seems to be very peeved and hurt about the remarks that Keche Joshua did, or said about what is alleged that she's going through. And if you don't know the story, let me take you guys back a little bit. Yeah, so Delay on one of her episodes on her show actually called out Wendy Shay, saying that Wendy Shay seems to be going through something, like she's going through a lot, because her recent looks and how she behaves is quote unquote not really normal, so that she thinks that she needs attention and all that. So it's saying, based on that remarks, that when Delay said or Delay made, Keche Joshua actually fed on that, and also made a subtle remarks on that particular issue, of which when she didn't take it lightly at all. When she took to social media to call out or attack Keche Joshua for making such a remark and all that. Yeah, so today on Zalo 4 FM, when Shay was interviewed, and she made mention of that particular issue again, saying that she doesn't really blame Keche Joshua, because Keche Joshua is being looked after or being catered for by a woman. And this is actually a shade, okay? And it actually got me thinking, that does that mean that Keche Joshua's girlfriend or fiancé looks after him? I mean, this is the question for the girls. Guys, what do you think about this particular statement? Can you drop your comment in the comment section below? Yeah, so when she went for on to also say that, yeah, because she thinks that Keche Joshua is being looked after, and if not, how will someone like Keche Joshua, who has experience in the music industry, she even came to meet them and all that, make such a remark, if, in quotes, if a fellow artist is going through something? Is that how he's going to address the issue and all that? Guys, kindly watch the video, and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Man who can say a bit to say Kecha Misha Namedeniumsa. Misha Kitty Namedenium.
Now you're
I
virgin.
look into the media Sata.
Sata now you're virgin.
Nami a virgin. Yes. Oh, you're bad.
I mean, you're bad.
Still, I'm a virgin.
CCA.
Still, I'm a virgin.
Not ordinary, sir.
Medenium.
Not Brappenny.
But I don't blame him that much. I don't blame him, because me when say Bema or Bashano. Obaba fie na eduane peche esifie. Omuntanya badaya mamba. Not to disrespect Bema Ebia right now, or Babi Shano, not to disrespect them, but Obi to say the guy now or bad attacking. I don't blame him.
Say Oba Sheninti, Oni Abadaye Emma. Oh, Nasanka no Mumkran or Sanko Timinia Abadaye.
No, say ombre and son winya. Obane Shano, Obane Tujan.
Now I thought, sir, or ye musician also, ye musician are more fraternity, Namu and now for four. And initial night we thought so, no, if you're no dear, grow your baby, and Mama Trasso, Kakra, the other two baby.
But then I was like, if I was really going through something, into saying I'm coming, fellow artist, obey me. Like obey me who fell. Is this word I'm coming, obey me? Obey me who fell. And I don't think, say, or Baba, I don't think so, or better say, obey me, Baba, sir. Miss me, you'll be back. Into no Yamisano, Miss Mamma. Into no, I don't know, obey me who fell. Because he thinks, say, delay advertising also who can say also rabbit me. It's not right.
Let's see. After that, nobody don't.
Yeah, guys, so you heard Wendy Shay talking on that particular issue. What do you think? Do you think how Wendy Shay addressed it was not good? She could have addressed it differently and all that. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And also don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Odate_G. Don't forget to also log on to my blog www.odategnews.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.